Hi there, if you'd like to create a brand account or brand channel so that you can have more flexibility, ad managers and all those good things on your YouTube account, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here again from davidwalshonline.com, the place to grow your business on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand account or brand channel on your YouTube account so that you can have a lot more flexibility on your YouTube channel than you do have with a personal channel. Before I hop into that, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to click the old subscribe link and also the notification bell to be notified we upload a brand new video to help you grow your business on YouTube every Tuesday. So having a brand account or brand channel gives you more flexibility with your YouTube account. You don't need to give your YouTube logins to people. You can add managers on various levels to your channel so they can do some of the work for you without having to disclose your private login details. It also gives you the ability to have whatever name you want on your channel, whether you have 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, 5 words, whatever. So you're not restricted to having 2 words on your channel name as you do on a personal account. So to show you how to do it, I'm gonna go into a channel of a private client of mine to see how it's done. Okay, so here we are on YouTube, and where we need to go to is youtube.com/account. So on this page here, we see this link here, see all my channels or create a new one. That's where we want to go. So to create a new channel, obviously we click on create a new channel and you give it a name. So with a brand channel, you can have multiple names here, so you're not stuck with just the first name, last name, as you are on a personal channel. So it can be 1 name, 2, 3, 4, or 5, whatever you want. Then you pop in a number, get a text message to verify, and once you have your verification code, pop it in and click on continue. So you'll end up with an email address here which you can use to upload videos to. You can go in, change your icon, change your banner, etc, etc. And all you have to do is click on customize channel, and then you can go ahead, add your channel icon, your channel art, and then add your sections as you would on any other channel. And as I mentioned before, you do get a number of benefits from this, including adding up to 50 managers, and you don't have to give away your personal details, being the biggest one. Now there are some downsides to this. The biggest one is that if you have a custom URL, that you will lose it. So what you need to do is to release that custom URL on your existing channel, and then you can reclaim that after 30 days on your brand account if you're just setting that up now. And of course the link to the video to show you how to do it is in the old description below. Other things include that you will lose any comments that you have added on your own YouTube channel and other channels. And this is why I recommend to clients that they move over to a brand account as soon as possible before they get heavily into lots of subscribers and comments and stuff like that, so all that information is not lost. So there you go, that's how you set up a brand account for your YouTube channel. If you've done this, I'd love to know how you got on with that. Let me know in the old comments area below. And if you have a question about this or anything to grow your business with YouTube, again, let me know in the old comments area below and I'll do what I can to help you. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video to help you grow your business on YouTube every Tuesday. The subscribe button will be somewhere here, so make sure to hit it. Also as well is to click on one of these videos here to help you grow your business using good old YouTube. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I will see you on another video.